Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can copy your Chat GPT generated tables and paste them into Microsoft Word so you can have them in your Word documents. So make sure you are logged into ChatGPT and that you have generated a table and that Microsoft Excel is also open. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to copy the table, and then I'm going to go to Microsoft Excel and I'm going to paste, and make sure when you paste it you select this option here. Then it is not going to get messy. Now I'm going to adjust a little bit, and once I'm happy with how it looks, I'm going to copy it, and finally I can go to Microsoft Word and paste it. So make sure again that you keep the source formatting. And now it's a normal Microsoft Word table. I can use the standard tools here to adjust it and to format it. So that's it for today. Make sure you leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.